Welcome to my video Accounting Tips for Beginners. Today I would like to introduce the simple way of learning accounting definition with the help of accounting cycle. Accounting definition with accounting cycle. Accounting cycle starts with a source document. Source document help us to pass journal entries. Journal entries help us to prepare ledger accounts. Ledger account help us to prepare trial balance. The trial balance with its arithmetical accuracy help us to prepare trading profit and loss account and balance sheet, which is called final accounts. Let us understand the term accounting cycle and accounting definition. Recording, classifying, summarizing, interpretation of results. With the help of source documents, journal, ledger, trial balance, trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. Accounting cycle with accounting definition. Recording through source document and journal, classifying through ledger, summarizing and interpreting through trial balance, trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. So let us understand what is source document. A document which provides a written evidence of a transaction that has taken place. These source documents provide information about the nature of transactions. The transactions will be recorded in the books of accounts only on the basis of such source documents like vouchers, bill receipts, cash memos, etc. Next, journal. Journal means daily record. It is the book base used for making primary record of day-to-day transactions chronologically. As all transactions are entered in the books at the first instance, it is also called books of original or primary. Recording of a transaction in the journal is called journalizing. Next, ledger. Classifying of the recorded transactions in journal is done in the ledger. Transactions entered in journal are finally incorporated into the ledger. So, ledger is also called as main or principal books of accounts. The process of recording the transaction in the ledger accounts by referring to the journal is called posting. Next, trial balance. Trial balance is the tool by which the arithmetical accuracy of ledger accounts is tested. A trial balance is a statement of the balances of all ledger accounts prepared at the end of the period. It provides a basis for the preparation of final accounts in a reliable manner. And last, trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. Summary of statement of accounting data at the end of accounting period is done by preparing income statement, that means trading profit and loss account, and position statement, which means balance sheet. From this accounting cycle, we can understand the definition of accounting. According to American Institute of Certified Public Accountants AICPA, accounting is an art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the results thereof. Through this definition, we can understand the features of accounting. Accounting feature consists of recording of transaction and events, classifying and summarizing transactions and events, interpreting and communicating the results thereof. Features of accounting definition help us to understand the objectives of accounting. Objectives of accounting aims to facilitate maintenance of records, ascertainment of profit and loss, ascertainment of financial position, and last, providing information to users. From this, I conclude that the concept of accounting cycle help us to understand the definition of accounting. From definition of accounting, we can understand the features of accounting. From features of accounting, we can understand the objectives or aims of accounting. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, you may subscribe it.